Bing, bong, bing, bong, 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 bing, 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 bing. Stop playing, man. Y'all know what time it is. Get the thing flooded, light this thing up. Big action, big situation. A big Saturday. Big action-packed Saturday. Street Saturday, you heard me? Not only that, man, we vlogging, we going to Southern Jackson game. Y'all know what time it is. We gonna turn up in that thing. We driving to Southern and Jackson thing. That gonna be the, we going Jackson game. We driving to Baton Rouge to the game. You know what I'm saying? So right now, y'all know what time it is. We just behind. I ain't gonna say behind the scene. We in front of the scene, getting it all the way live in action. Cause this live. As you go see the background. You go see what's in the background on this. Early morning, big thugging, big coming right now. What you smoking? What you drinking? What you thinking? What you popping? How you coming? You know how we coming. If not, you finna see. If not, I might lay there, get on that done at 10 o'clock in the morning. Get on that done at 10 in the morning. What's up, bro? How you doing? Oh, you been right, huh, bro?
You can hear that, baby.
Yes, sir. I get on that done 10 in the morning. I get on that done 10 in the morning. Might be gonna crank it all the way out. We definitely need cigars. Might lay there and need an ice chest. Might lay there and need an ice chest and some cooler. Might need y'all. You know I'm at the monster. A monster. They must be up front. The monster must be happy. He must be stealing the time. The people be that ain't like that. The monster must be happy. He must be stealing the time. Oh, man, you said a monster in the back? Be behind my back. Oh, there they go. They down there hiding from me. They down there hiding from me. Oh, that green one hiding from me. Come here, wait. This stove getting packed. It's so rolling in the airfield. Tell the stove, don't put on camera. That stove, I ain't gonna put on camera. So jumping in the airfield. Big line, big truck, big drug in that thug in here. I mean, I'm just finna get on that fast. By the pill man house, buy a couple pills to give away. I don't know that. Let me get this running 3 diamond game. 3 diamond game. They gonna let us smoke on the yard. I wonder if they gonna let us smoke on the yard. I wonder if they gonna let us do our thing on that yard without the people pressing us. What's up, soldier? How y'all doing? Hey there. Big action, big people. It's on fire. We so fire. Yes, Lord. You ain't no undercover when you playing. A lot of people run from these streets. Yeah, so we on. Yeah, man. We on finna act bad today. Roll up. then if we catch somebody, we can jack, steal. I ain't gonna say steal, you know, we don't steal. Rob, steal. Ooh, I'm finna run over that boy. I thought that boy finna jump out with a chopper. I finna run over. Ah, boom, ding, bang. Oh, that boy jumped out like he was finna. Oh my God. I don't be panicking. So I hit that gas. It don't carry my car for wars. I ain't panicking. I'm finna stomp that bitch. Wow. That boy scared me, man, badly. But I ain't panicking. Y'all see on camera, boy, nigga jump out in traffic and be hard, it be rat. It the thing here more dangerous than Chicago. Baton Rouge more dangerous than Chicago. Bug, what is he doing? He could have been down on this nigga. What is he doing? That's how he got shot the first time. Just told him that. Just told him you can't be doing this. What's that, bro? Told you can't be doing this. Oh, what's that with it, boy? Let me see your hat. Bend down, let me see. I thought you had the bandana tied around your neck, boy. I said, that boy big thuggin', bro. Ooh, what's that? What you hit around there?
Yeah, my grandma.
What, you got 2 phones?
Yeah.
That's how you coming? Show the 2 phones right quick. Ooh, big thuggin'. See them big props. Yeah, keep doing your thing, bro. I'm telling you, it ain't easy to come up. Every lot of long nights. A lot of long nights. Cocaine selling, powder selling, big dealing, big Ellen. You hear me? Boy, they got some old school look. They got some old schools in them yards, bro. People be, you just ride around and be looking in them yards. People be having old schools in them alleys, boy. What you looking for? That's an empty house. What you looking for an old school for? I ain't. I'm just putting people on game. Whoever looking for old school, they ain't gonna have it on no. I ain't gonna lie. You can go to Facebook Marketplace. Shout out to Twin, my dog Twin. Them they Facebook Marketplace it out. I'm finna go grab this list. What you call it? And get on down from around here. And head over there. Oh, you saw that? Oh, you saw that? Ain't no people got a thing like. I'm finna turn around. I'm gonna make a block. Hey, them people got a thing like I'm gonna back up and turn around. Yeah, I got to go. Boy, I'm finna get that. I'm gonna show you. I'm finna get what they gonna do. Oh, I put eyes in their fucking stuff. Man, I'm finna get that. When we pass by there, if that's a big motorcycle or something small, like a little mini pad, like what I just seen Funny Mike on YouTube. He had bought one on for $1,000. I ain't wanna pay no $1,000. I ain't right now. But if that's one, I'm finna get it. So be looking when I tell you look over that way and see if that's a big. I'm gonna be going slow. They got people on the other side. Look right there, dude. They got that's a mini bike. Man, that's a mini bike. Man, look at them people. Man, I'm finna get that dumb shit. Just act like we recording this a movie. Come on, man, where all this traffic coming from? Man, just act like we recording this a movie. I'm finna grab that. Just act like we acting. Act like we acting. I'm finna grab that. They following me. I'm finna grab that. Stick and move. No brainer. See, if you think about it, you go. If you think about it, you ain't gonna do it. The one thing, when you flash, like right now, I just flash. I ain't no thinking. People outside everything. I need this. Funny Mike got one, I need one. Ooh, I'm finna stop. Can't call my blessing for the head, but I know I'm finna go with my move. Just act like you acting. Just come with me like you acting. Just go around in front of them. Stick and move. I sit back. You know, that's more smarter. Yeah, that's more. No, they might hit a car. Come on. Yeah, let's just run. Come on. Act like we acting. When the thing come about, you know, the situation. Oh man, look, I got the gun right there. Put it back down. People see the guns. Come on. So what you really finna see is like the type of houses, the type of situation, you know, like the community that you may see. like the type of thing that ain't reality. You know what I'm saying? What you seeing ain't what you really seeing right now. It's just so got in there. Keep it like we act. So when we come through, you know, it ain't. Now, the neighborhoods and for the educational purpose, get in. Get everything. There go. That bitch gone, man. That's gone. That's gone. Then he got a chain on it. That worked. Oh, no brainer. Boy, I thought somebody was opening the door. Somebody came out. I ain't see nobody. Once you got the flash out, man, I tell you, look how easy that was. I ain't worried about no witness. Oh, yeah, bandana on. Who don't have a bandana on? This is the most common vehicle, well, type of vehicle on the streets right now. Everybody got a Nissan Rogue and Nissan this and Nissan this, but this right here, this a Nissan Murano Super Sport. Everybody don't have a Super Sport Murano with the two roofs and stuff. GT. But them old people don't know that. Them old people ain't gonna be able to break that down. Ooh, let's see if it works. I pray that thing work. That thing work, bro. I ain't gonna pray it work. That thing work. I know it work. God know it work. That thing work, man. Watch this here. Boy, my heart still beat. Come in below, bro. How you? Boy, y'all be. Yeah, that was a jack move. That wasn't no steal. That was a jack move. Nigga, jack for that. If anybody would came out with a bing, bang, 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 so I knew what I was about. That ain't no steal. That jack move ain't no about. And the white smoke, man. That little white smoke. Don't go down on little white smoke now. I see that little white smoke now. I see that little white smoke now. I see that little white smoke now. But nothing good about no white smoke. You know, black smoke. That's great news. Black smoke. You know, I'm an old school fan. Black smoke. I just saw some white smoke coming out of a clean car. You hear me? With some gold datings on it. You hear me? I'm gonna talk to him about it. Cause when I bring that leg out, I ain't never had no white smoke. Never. I ain't never have a vehicle with no white smoke. That's why I say that white smoke is serious. Word on the street. Comment below what white smoke mean. You're all mixing with water. Or, cause the real mechanic, nah, man, that can mean something. Man, forget all that. Look what we got. Forget all that. Why I'm talking about that. That's why that boy gonna get bucked up. He take something and start talking about people. That boy don't give up. I'm telling you, what I just told y'all. Then what I just told y'all, I was finna act a monster. I had just mentioned I was finna act a monster. Shit. Now in a second, somebody can whip the corner. You got that in your mind. So in a second, now somebody can whip that corner and they can fire, they can just act you. They can fire, they can just act you. Let's see what we got. Nigga got that thing in so fast, I don't even know how I got in. I'm finna get out. Turn this shit up. Let's see what we got, y'all. Woo! Oh! Jack move. On Baton Rouge more dangerous. Tell you, watch this here. Let's see how to crank it up, guys. Come on this side. Man, this thing look like it run. Alright. See what you do first. Let's just pull it. try it again. Hey, man. Let's see what we got. Oh, I see a button up here. Come see, I see a button. I see a button. What that mean? Let's just press it. Let's just press it. Let's see. Anything? You got to hit the gas. You got to hit the gas. Got to get that. Now I just stole this, brother. 1 second here. You got to hit the gas. Of course, huh? Can't get no car and crank it up without no gas. Put that back.
You got the choke on? You got the choke on?
Put the choke on.
Yeah, I'm gonna come show you, brother. Get up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now try it.
Make sure I had hit a button. All right, let's try this.
This a kill switch.
Yeah, I'm trying to see which one.
This to turn it off.
So it should be on. So what one on? It's on now.
Pull the string, baby.
Uh-oh, something just changed, y'all.
Pull it.
Something just changed, y'all.
Pull it, man.
Let me put this back how I had it. Watch
No,
it.
no.
Is that what the choke? Watch this up.
No, I had it right, man.
Oh, put it.
I pull it. You gonna flood like that.
Uh-oh, we hear something, bro. See, when I pulled it, it hit. Watch it up. Watch it up. Yeah, it hit. Watch it up.
Alright, stop.
Now hit it. Watch it sound like it go hit.
What's up?
Don't pop it now, because it's stolen, bro. Just take your time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That thing finna hit. Oh, I ain't gonna hit the gas. The gas was making it like this. Oh yeah, now put that back up. It done choke now, no. Uh-oh. 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 I have to get going tonight. Oh, you got to go here. You got to go back here. Watch it.
No, you gotta stay back. You gotta stay back.
Hold on.
Uh-oh. Dad got it. Let me see that big car. Let me see that big car.
Really doing them things. You see what we did here for, boy? Ain't no game in your fish. So yeah, give me on 1,500 for that.
Yeah.
Give me for anybody, give me 1,500 for that. You want that? It on whoever it's for. Give me 800. Give me 800. If you want it back. Give me 800. Ooh, big action. So right now, then I know what I'm gonna do. Man, I'm finna be all on the yard with it. I'm finna take it to the car wash it up, pay somebody to wash it, and then take it to the car wash. I mean, not the car wash, to where we going? For sale. Have it out there shining first. First I'm finna stun on it. Yeah, then it's for sale. Ooh, big brush. Man, y'all like this thing up, hype this thing up, get it blood. Mate, y'all.